How to log out all devices on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log out all devices on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to log out all devices on Instagram, then all you got to do is, there are many ways to do this, right? So first thing first, open up Instagram, come to the profile page from the bottom right, tap the three lines icon, then go to settings, then go to security. Then you want to go to login activity. Then you can select the device that you want to log out, tap the three dots next to it, tap on logout. But this is a lot of time consuming process because you cannot log each and out of this manually. Now once you've done that, you can come back. The other way you can do this is by simply changing your password. So you can tap the password button here. When you change your password on Instagram, all of the devices will be automatically logged out from your Instagram account. Now if that doesn't help, last solution only works if your Facebook account is linked with your Instagram account. So for this, all you have to do is open up Facebook here, then just tap the three lines icon here to come to the menu page, then tap the gear icon to come to the settings page. Tap on account center button here. Once you tap on account center, go to password and security. Then you want to simply go to where you are logged in button here. Then you have to select the Instagram account from the list rather than the Facebook account. Once you select the Instagram account, you can select all devices by tapping the select all button. Then just tap on logout. All the devices will be successfully signed out of your Instagram account. This is how you can log out all devices on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.